In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy A16. When we search here, as you can see, no results are showing. Now, to enable the Android Auto, follow this step. Go in Settings, scroll down, go in Apps. As you can see here, Android Auto is showing. If it is not showing here, then tap on Search. Search here, Android Auto. As you can see, Android Auto is showing in the search results. Simply tap on it. Now, to enable the Android Auto, simply tap on Enable. Now, Android Auto is enabled in my device. If you scroll down, here you get the more settings. You can customize it. If you want to configure Android Auto, then simply tap on it. Tap on Connect a Vehicle and connect it. So this is how you can enable Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy A16. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.